Oh, whoa! Hold up. Damn. Some straight up beef right now. Oh, wow. He's straight. He good. She's not good. Oh my god. Not baby girl. Damn. Clumsy ass. She is so smashed right now. The animation is just so fluid. I love this. I absolutely love this. Mappa Studios, like they are excelling right now. See how fluid that is? Oh wow. She got herself like a nice little spot. Okay, Jimeno. I see you, baby girl. Hasn't she had enough to drink already? She's already smashed. I love that POV. That's dope. That's not water, bro, but hey, I'm down with it. Oh my god, that angle. They know what they doing right now. Oh my god. He needs some help right now. He like, what you gonna do to me? His face right now. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. Lucky behind boy. This is about to be my favorite episode, I can already tell. And it's not even action packed. It's just sexy fun time. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Get yourself ready, boy. Oh my god, that angle. Damn, she digging for real. Damn, that joint dirty. Throw that away, bro. That's straight facts right there, Makima. Damn, man, I was really trying to see that sexy fun time, man. Damn. Yeah, sure, hell yeah, Pochita wanted to see that. Straight up. Ooh, I like that camera motion right now. The camera motion, the angles, the focal length. I love it all right now. So peaceful right now. It's throwing me off. Oh, whoa! Hold up. Damn. Damn. Not my baby girl. See what I mean? It was way too peaceful. Way too peaceful. I knew something about to happen. Really? Oh no, the granny got a strap too? Damn. They all getting popped at. Love how Mappa just made it so peaceful yet violent at the same time. That's so dope. Damn. Some straight up beef right now. Oh wow. No holding back. Damn. Ooh, nice. He's straight. He good. She's not good. Oh my god, not baby girl. Oh no. Oh man. There he is. Oh Jesus Christ. I forgot what kind of devil he is, like a sword devil or something. Oh man. Damn. He's shedding his life away using that sword. Nice. Okay, Aki, I see you, boy, holding your own right now. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay. Damn. Please help, baby girl. Please. She's here too? Oh, no. This is a problem. All that work. Now look at what happened. Oh, damn. Oh, no. The speed, though. The speed. Damn. I've been dreading to see this episode, man. I'm been dreading to see this moment. I just don't want to see her die. Really don't. That is disgusting. Oh my god. No. Just for her to use all of the Ghost Devil's power, she gotta give herself away, bro. Damn, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ. Damn. It just disappeared like that? That is wild. Girl, Orochimaru out here, bro. I'm torn right now. Damn. Not baby girl. Man. New ending. Let's go. Oh, I love that shot of Himeno. Damn, they popping off with this ending. Okay. Damn, damn, damn. I recognize this track from somewhere. Sounds very familiar. Bro, damn. See, like I said, I've been dreading this moment ever since I read it for the very first time in the manga. It just like, I did not want to see that again. Seeing Himeno give herself up just to kill the, I forgot what kind of devil that guy is, the hybrid. He's the sword devil, blade, I forgot what he was called. But she was sacrificing herself pretty much for the ghost devil just take him out, but then the ghost devil ended up getting clapped by the snake demon devil, yeah, the snake devil, because that girl, she dangerous, okay? She Orochimaru out here pretty much. That's just a problem. The sword devil was a problem. First and foremost, like the way they made the whole episode, I mean the second half, with like the peacefulness, and then just like it's violent, like people getting shot left and right, Makima getting shot, the rest of the devil hunters getting shot up, and it's just so peaceful at the same time. I love how Mappa portrayed that. That was so dope. It was just like the same way from the manga too, in all honesty. Like it was just like just a day, sunny day, people chilling, carrying on with their regular usual things in life, and you know, getting shot up pretty much. This episode was dope. I absolutely love Himeno and her character, and it's just sad to just see her go like that. So sad. I'm just torn. I'm just very torn from that moment, guys. Just seeing her disappear, because she said she giving herself up to the Ghost Devil. Like, she ain't coming back. She ain't coming back, as far as I know. Okay, but she ain't coming back, because once you give your certain body part or whatever to that devil that you have a contract with, like, that's it. Okay, that is it. Damn, guys. The use of CGI in this episode went crazy too, and it was actually pretty good CGI. I have no complaints there. Combination of CGI with the 2D animation and the camera angles, focal length. They just did such a nice job, astounding job with this episode. Every episode is just straight heat. Mappa's in her bag. Chainsaw Man, you already know what's going on. Straight heat. 4 episodes left, I believe. This is episode 8. So, hey, I'm here for the ride, guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out.